Sa January 3, agad-agad.
January 1, alas 12. Ay, hindi, 31. Ako po yung nagpapasalamat at actually karangan ng kumakasama si Ma'am Joy dito sa isang vlog ko. Sa pamawala, sino ba nagsasabi sa akin? Mahal niya po.
Sino ba?
Talagang pangarap kumakasama si Ma'am Joy. No? Kasi, alam, mamaya na ba?
Aga pa, ano?
Aga pa.
Eh, nag-forward na yun daw.
Yun, ano na, kumista ka.
Nakumani. Pinagod.
Ano ba to? Ano ba to? Kasi alam niyo naman, bago lang ang national. Pagkadating ko pa lang sa national, yun doon sa amin agad yung narinig ko. Ano ba yun? Yun na yun. Tapos sa may teacher daw, lalo na. Tapos makakasama ko pa ngayon yung pressure. Pero may kalaman pa nyo. Baka lumugo ilaw. Yan. English teacher eh.
Hindi rin.
Hindi rin.
Wala literature na yun.
Okay.
Paano yung parang literature?
Literature.
Yan. Good.
Literature?
Literature. Yan.
Actually, maganda rin po kasi nito ni Mami. Maganda rin po kasi kaya parang lumalayo ako eh.
Hindi. Ako talagang natuwa ako nung nalaman ko si Bossing ang aking kapartner.
Pero, bakit na?
Siyempre sabi ko, wow, tayo pala magpala, baguyan na to.
Yes!
Yes!
Bakit na? Then, kung anong kulang na ngayon na to, ano ang mga outfit si Rachel?
Buti hindi ka nag-red.
Ano nga suot ko? Ginong dito.
Sabi ko mga Mercury sa likod.
Wala naman. Ito ay manpower services. Yan. Pag-i-deploy sa Seymour mamaya. Bili ng Jollibee ngayon! May libreng yung libreng pasok. Okay naman.
Okay, kanina po pinabuna tayo ng mga number.
Number.
Kaya po kayo naka-group dyan. Kasi yung napili na po number yun ang bilang ng food cocktail sa basket.
Yan. May kulang daw mo dito. Kasi parang mga napaka-powerful kasi ito.
Number 2. Hindi, nag-hiniwalay-walay kasi iba. So, ako talaga tayo sa ating, anong nakalagay dyan? Bossing? Oy, bossing.
Pinapalo ko na yung moral.
Ano nakalagay dyan, bossing?
Okay, God Tower Team Building. Oh my God. God Tower.
Yan, God Tower Team Building. Sobrang taas natin tower.
Okay. Sino ka muna dito? Sino magbibigay
Abi yung mataas din, si Mrs. Navia.
Navia.
Mrs. Evelyn Navia as teacher of the English department.
Okay.
Thank you. Kala ko this party na. But can we first continue with our God seminar? We of course have somebody to have a recall of what we did yesterday. Let us now have Mom or Miss Marietta Tandang for the recall. Okay, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Okay, welcome po sa ating second day ng God Seminar. Okay, so I'm here to give you, or to give all of us, a quick recap of our discussions yesterday. So, our God for this year has the theme Health, Wealth, and Spirit. So, yesterday, the registration started at 6:30 a.m. And then, the teacher participants were encouraged to have their breakfast. And then, at 8:30 a.m., the program was formally opened with the singing of our national anthem, which was led by Mrs. Jo Alcantara, the head teacher of the mapping department. And then it was followed by the opening prayer, which was led by Mrs. Perpetua Dizon, the head teacher of the AP department. And then the opening remarks were given by none other than our principal, Mrs. Lady Davi Morad, and our head teacher from the English department had a checking of the attendance for each department by means of calling each each department. Yun po. And then, the introduction of the first speaker was done by Miss Joyce Abunda, teacher from Tutuwing Potho. Kinakabago ko. And then, our first speaker for I Teach module was Miss Anne Francesca, who focused on some issues such as saying bad words, vices, and then pornography. And then the second speaker, the mother of the first speaker, was Mrs. Maria Imelda de la Viña, who was introduced by Miss Obias from Tutuwing Potho. Continuation lang po ng unang discussion. So, ang kanya po ay Educational Highway of MRP or Moral Recovery Program. And then she also discussed with us some Republic Act concerned on child and women protection. And then, 12 o'clock po ay start ng lunch break. And then, 1:30 po, nag-resume po ang ating seminar proper with an energizer led by Mrs. Evelyn Navia. And then, it was followed by a video clip presentation. Yun daw po kinuha sa isang video game. And then, the third speaker for the second module, which is I Save module, was Engineer R. Salvador Oblena, who is an advocate of financial literacy from International Marketing Group Wealth Academy. So he discussed with us practical money or income management and investment strategies, specifically for basic financial mistakes. Ilan lang po ito. X-curve of wealth and responsibilities, and then the 6 steps that we can follow in order for us to be financially free. And then the fourth speaker was, again, Mrs. Maria Imelda de la Viña, who focused on the third and final module, which was I Impact. So it is concerned about how teachers affect students. That's why we should be careful with all the things that we are going to say and how we are going to act in front of them. And the seminar yesterday ended with a prayer led by Ma'am Imelda de la Viña, where she asked us to pray for our partner. Tapos po, 5:15 po nag-end yung program. Thank you po.